Ride with Govind. 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 Horse cart, right? It's been so long since I watched this cutie. See this baby, she's sleeping actually. Completed delivering this parcel. This one, it completely pissed me off. I'm feeling like my muscles have been separated from my body. Time's around 7:30 now. We woke up at 6:03 p.m. and it took me 1.5 hours to get ready myself for the ride. So let's go. Let's do our first ride. So our plan of action would be, first we need to go to the petrol bunk, and after that we have to go online for the bike taxi trips. So let's go. We're on the way. Here is the petrol bunk. It is Bharat Petroleum. It's in Electronic City phase 2. So we're just starting from this phase 2. So just now we filled the petrol. I filled 300 in the tank and 100 in the bottle. So that bottle one is for the emergency purposes. So let's go online now. Okay. So we turned on everything: Ola, Uber, Rapido and ShadowFX. I think we got an order now. It is a 4 kilometers order. I don't want this. So let's wait for the orders. In the meantime, let's go towards HSR layout, because in the morning time we can get more orders in that area, right? Let's go. So we got just now I got this order on Ola. It's worth 135 rupees. So I have accepted that. So let's go to pick the customer up. You can see the traffic. It's not even 8. Bangalore is known for its traffic, you know. So seems like this particular customer has been trying to book the bike for a long time, because within 5 minutes she called me 2 times and she asked me if I'm coming or not. So let's go to the customer. So we are near. Ma'am, Ola? For the inconvenience, actually my mic got disconnected. From now on I will be giving my voice over. We picked the customer up and we are on our way to drop the customer. Seems like it may rain as well, so let us see. $66 में नहीं yes ma'am. We dropped the customer and we turned on Uber as well. In that meantime we got an order on Uber which is around 15 kilometers, and for that we are getting paid around 185 rupees. So let's go. So we are on our way to pick the customer up. It is actually 18.5 kilometer ride. No, it's actually 15.5 kilometer ride. For that we are getting paid around 185 rupees. He is the customer. Let's pick her up. So in the meantime I got another order on Ola as well, but I didn't accept because it was just a 50 rupees order. You guys can see the Nexus Mall here. So we're in Kormangla. We are going towards our destination. Let us go and drop the lovely customer. So we are almost halfway done, and It's around 10-15 more minutes. We'll be reaching our destination. Till then, you guys can just see the view and enjoy. Okay. Anyways, we are here at the destination. So let us drop the customer and collect the 185 rupees cash, or you pay as well. It doesn't matter. I dropped the customer and I am on my way to drop another customer. So let us go. Around like the time is 11:54, which means near 12. We did around 5 rides and it's a lot of traffic and I'm trying to do something. Fine, I got a ride. Okay, let's accept. First I got a parcel order, but the customer have rejected the order. So again we got another bike pickup. So we are on the way to bike. The customer has given us a parcel. It is very sweet, but I couldn't say anything. Hey, here you can see horse cart, right? It's been so long since I asked this for. I traveled in horse cart once, I think, if I'm not wrong. This parcel is troubling me. It is kind of very big. With this I learned something. I should not pick parcels for the same place, because the people who are giving parcels and they booked the Uber as a person. Now they are sending the parcels. The reason for that is Uber parcels charge more, so that's why they are just booking for themselves and they're just giving the parcels. Still I asked the person is it a small parcel or big parcel? He said it's a small parcel and he said the OTP. I just entered the OTP. Then that guy has given the shit to me. Ride with Govind. Govind. So the kids are very enthusiastic. This cute is see this baby, she's sleeping actually. Oh man, again traffic signal. God, to travel for 12 minutes with the same pain. Yes, I thought this view is good, that's why I'm just showing it. Just now we completed delivering this parcel. This one, it completely pissed me off. I'm feeling like my muscles have been separated from my body. So anyways, I learned a lesson today. So what next? I think actually I skipped my breakfast for the time's sake. I better go and have some food. Come, I'll give the food rating as well. So this is Indiranagar, my favorite area in Bangalore. Actually Indiranagar is one of the best places in Bangalore to live in.
You see the orange umbrella?
हाँ sir, हाँ. So yes, it's okay sir. So it is 2:38 now. I thought I should eat something, so I'm here with this shop. Let's go and ask them if anything is here to eat. I had some food. It was not that good. Anyways, let's go back to work. It's nearly 1 hour. We are orderless. Wait, we got an order on Ola. So let us go and pick the customer up, drop him in the destination. It's around 5:30 and we got an order on Ola as well. So here's the customer. Let's pick him up. It's a 220 order. Man, this traffic, I'm completely stuck in this traffic. So finally I'm out of this traffic. Just now I'm done with my order and I'm completely tired. I won't be able to do any more orders, but finally I do one or two orders and I'll be back to home. So yes, finally we are done with our last order. I'll show my earnings. Comes to earnings, I earned 1049 on Ola, 574 on Uber and 109 on Shadowfax. So total 1732 rupees. I spent 450 on petrol and 55 rupees on food. So the net earnings are 1227. So that's it for today, guys. It's the day 1 of earning 50,000 in 30 days challenge. Let's meet tomorrow with the day 2 earnings. Till then, please do like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you. Take care. Bye bye.